Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing Bisbilla Bath with foxtail millet, which is also called as korralu. Let's prepare Bisbilla Bath powder. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon black gram, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, small inch cinnamon, about 12 to 13 peppercorns, teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 cloves, few fenugreek seeds, teaspoon sesame seeds, add 3 to 4 dried red chilies and roast till they turn brown. After roasting, cool the above mixture and transfer to a blender. Blend to fine powder. I am taking 1 cup of foxtail millet, that is korralu. Add half cup of tur dal. Add water and rinse 2 to 3 times. Foxtail millet is rich in fiber, calcium and vitamin B12. It also regulates blood sugar levels and has numerous health benefits. After rinsing, add 4.5 cups of water and soak for 3 to 4 hours. After soaking, transfer to the pressure cooker and add mixed vegetables of your choice. I am taking chopped potatoes, carrot and beans. You can add veggies of your own choice and then pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Once done, mix everything. Take little tamarind, soak in water. Extract the tamarind pulp and keep ready. Let's prepare Millet Bisbellabath. Take a vessel and add little oil. When oil is heated, add teaspoon mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, teaspoon black gram and few curry leaves. Saute all the ingredients for few minutes. Next, add 1 chopped onion and also 1 chopped green chili. Once onions are little cooked, add chopped cashews and also few peanuts. Roast the cashews and peanuts till they turn little brown. Add little turmeric powder. Next, add 1 or 2 chopped tomatoes and cook till tomatoes turn little mushy. Add the previously blended Bisbilla Bath powder. This powder gives nice taste and flavor to the Bisbilla Bath. Add teaspoon chili powder. If you want less spiciness, you can also skip the chili powder. Add salt according to your taste and give a mix. Next, add the tamarind juice and mix everything. Add the pressure cooked millet and give a mix so that all the spices gets nicely mixed with the millet. Add little ghee and give a mix. Millet Bisbilla Bath is ready. Finally, top it with some peanuts and bundi. Serve it hot. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.